Being a girl overall is so flipping expensive. Ugh.
Happy crime fighting, sweaty.
Oh, okay, my kind of guy. Good morning, Diana. Is that your banana bread? Yeah, fresh out the oven.
Hello? Hello? Good morning. What is it? You still have a tone? We have a call? We are going to call? You say you're going to call somebody who? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Did you guys miss me? I feel like you guys miss me. I haven't been on here like in long form content in such a long while. And I wanted to be consistent this summer. But the summer I have a different plan itself, a different trajectory, and like it not aligned with me want to align with. I'm trying my best not to crash out because like follow the path the Patrick set for you. And it's not following the path. But anyways, today is a day we're going to go to Kingston with my mom because they're going to go shopping for a dress for graduation. They're gonna go buy a dress for that. I already have a dress. My face is breaking out. My phone not captured. Oh, that dove captured. I don't know why. And it's like the only thing I've changed in my routine for my skin is I've added this soap from Good Molecule and chatted that break up my skin. So I'm gonna change that. I don't know when, probably today. But it needs to change, like, cause my face I break out in places. I'm more to myself, so oh, it's my period that is about to come, but my face don't break out like this when my period about to come. Like the out like one or so. I've never seen this like yeah 1 year so. Somewhere over here so the one of the cheek here, all of them. Somebody I want voodoo palm make. I never attacked my face. I didn't even stop. Cause my face no break out in such a long while. And then all of a sudden. So we're about to get rid of this. Cause I feel like it's this. It is. And we're going to buy a face wash. Yeah. But the thing is, skincare is so expensive. Being a girl overall is so flipping expensive. Ugh. Answer phone. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Raj. Happy birthday to you. Hello?
Yeah.
Happy birthday. That's what I called to tell you happy birthday. Okay. Remember one piece of
How
it.
are you?
What?
How are you?
What do you mean what me I use?
I have
No, my tablet.
Oh,
Our
yes, I want to go, but I am.
sure. Probably water gone in the speaker like in my bathroom this morning. Anyways, remember one piece of the cake. Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay, bye.
I'm for
I love you. My family, they don't do affection like that, right? And from with it, every time I call one, they tell them I love them. You know what they do? They want the phone in my ears. Like that. Before me did suicidal. But yeah, we all get ready for real, and stop the chopping and the yapping and I need to also text my cousin. Because when I text her, and she texts me back, but I never see it. And then last time I go for check, I say, this thing cannot answer message from morning. And then I say, oh, she did text me back. But then I got in bed, so I say, no text her back this morning. So I need to text her back, but when I was in. So we're finished. We're ready, but there's some edges still, and I feel like I'm going to let my mother redo the front of my ear because white I pull up already. So yeah, I'm actually going to walk with a lot of stuff because I feel like I'm going to go to my grandma's today and have her do my hair. Well, I'm supposed to do her hair, but I'm more important. I gotta put me first. Lucia said I gotta put me first. So yeah, so we're gonna do the lashes like right now. We'll have time to kill. I'm gonna feel so ugly. Well, I'm gonna feel pretty at the same time. I'm gonna feel so ugly because like my skin I have the worst time at life. The worst time. I think I might put on these as well for the graduation. I'm not sure. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Two of them come off. Mm. No, no, no. I'm gonna do my lashes off screen and come back. Give me a minute, chat. Hi, chat. So my mom is actually in St. Thomas. Surprisingly, that was fast. However, my tongue is I feel very ugly. My face really threw me off. And I know that, oh, you must love yourself, but my face really threw me off. And I swear today is the last day I'm using by that soap on my face. The last. Because I've used the same products and these and this is a sunscreen. They're like staple in my skincare, right? For a very good time now. And my face has never broken out this bad. Never. I don't know if it's because I've incorporated that soap, make it a breakout soap. One of my lashes on my fly I can't see, but I can't see how my look it. I think I found it. We'll fix it. So my face has, as I was saying, my face has never gone this bad before. So we're going to do like a whole little, I don't know what I do. Like that cheek here, particularly, I threw my off. So I think we're ready. I'm not about to carry everything when I carry. I go to Kingston first and come back. Because going to Kingston with a load and then buying a load, pant a load, that don't make sense. So I'm actually going to have this, a peanut punch and a biscuit on the run. We're ready to go chat. I have the vitamin. What one? Oh, this. Oh, hi. Yeah. Hard. I'll be back. I'll be back. Yeah, go run this one for me. We have a vitamin. This is actually good. Hi guys. So Marita Marambie and may I talk to my YouTube. Marita Marambie and where we post studying for come here because they're not here as yet. Mind you, them have all morning to prepare and them still not reach down here. So we're waiting. This is us. Oh, this is so much better. So yeah. You know, weird sometimes because like sometimes I get a very strong boost of confidence and like me I like people stay for me so I'm gonna stay up on you because of where you come before. Stop it.
Now for the ladies, we have hot box for the man them.
We're downtown, like in the street of downtown. We're gonna take in the dress so by because it's big and them a lot of it all always skinny. So yeah, trap my piercings is pissing me off. Say hi. Hey Chad, I'm finally not doing all everything on by first stacking because I kind of have an idea of what I'm going to wear. Then we have this dress. So my number to wear the dress so my house. I'm gonna wear this one instead. Why? Because my other two sisters them did wear the same dress. I'm like, oh, I want the twin as well. So we're going to go triplet platinum. That need to wash out. Not if it's a dry, but about this. It's a simple, refreshing facial wash. Hopefully, it will miracle for my skin. I swear. Hopefully. And then lastly, we have this bonnet. because I don't have no, what I do, what is a very tiny bonnet for like my natural hair, not for like braids. Oh, also, boy, cool stuff. As other cool, we'll have this clock clip. It is so pretty. So, yeah. And the bed comes very musty. Well, not stink, but I feel musty. For the bed, and then I need to edit a TikTok video that I have. So, edit all of that. Yeah, but that's everything I bought downtown. Bruh, I saw this in the display and I thought 1,200. It's not 1,200, it's 1,900. But she catch me a message, I have $100 change in her hand. I was like, how much is that? And she's like, 1,900. And she's like, she wait up, show me. And I shall come and say, still give me. Because at that point I was too embarrassed to like say, take it, my number, I want it. So I bought that. But that's it. We're gonna be in and then edit one video. Okay, so this is actually the end of the video, for real, for real, for real. Chat, what am I completely gone? The other one's still there. I shouldn't have done my lashes today. I shouldn't have. I don't know if I'm delusional, but I think the bumps are kind of like clearing up. I'm not even delusional. Not bad. We don't want to jinx it. We don't want to jinx it like, yeah. Because we just, I'm going to push on myself and edit the video and I'm fall asleep. That's what we're going to do. Yeah. It's, if you should ask me, Descendants music track is the best music track Disney has ever produced. The best. Okay? With all that said, see you guys. I genuinely can't promise another video because, as I say, my summer, it doesn't follow a predictable scale. Whatever happened, happened. So, sooner, guys, I'm sooner again. Bye.